Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. So, we are going to get started with our science project that we're going to be working on in primarily science, but also Mrs. Hartman's going to help with this in literacy. So I wanted to show you how we're going to start off our project. So you will be able to find this virtual science project journal in the classwork section of your Google Classroom. So if you take a look at where my mouse is, you will click on classwork and it will be in these assignments up here. Okay, so when you open up this assignment, it's going to look like this. It's going to be in Google Slides, okay, which is how you're going to do your science project. This beginning part this week is just going to be brainstorming ideas for your science project, okay? We're not actually starting your project yet. We're just getting some ideas going, okay? So your assignment today is to do slide 2. So we're actually going to skip slide 1 because you'll eventually put in your science project here, your name, your grade level, and your homeroom teacher here. Okay. I've been getting some questions on if this is optional or not. It is optional to enter the science fair. Okay. That is totally optional. That's totally up to you. But you are still going to be doing the project. Okay. That is required because it's going to be a part of our daily science lessons and literacy lessons as well. Okay. So, yes, you do have to do a science project, but you don't have to enter it into the science fair if you don't want to. Okay, we're going to be doing the exact same format as the science fair. So if you want to enter it, we're going to be doing it anyways. Okay, so that's up to you. I did hear, sadly, this year they are not doing science fair t-shirts. Okay, but it would be really cool if you've never done the science fair before. It is a really cool experience. Okay. All right, so let's get started with our science journal. So today you are going to just do slide 2. Now, I've talked to some of you, and some of you already have an idea for the science fair. That is perfectly fine, okay? But you're still going to go through this process with us, okay? Because who knows, you might change your mind, or you might just keep rolling with your science project idea that you've already started, okay? But it's really important when you start one of these projects that you choose something that you're passionate about, okay? Because we're going to be working on this the rest of April and into May, okay? So quite a long time. So just like when we chose your Colorado history projects for Colorado Day, I really tried to urge you to choose something that you want to learn more about or something that you're passionate about, okay? Because it's just going to be more fun for you. So make sure you choose something that is interesting to you. It should be something that you want to know more about. Okay, so this is going to get some ideas rolling for you. So you're going to think about, what are you passionate about? That's the whole goal of this. And the directions say to answer all 3 questions in complete sentences. Okay, so there's not a sentence limit or anything. I just want you to answer in complete sentences for each question here. Okay, so let's talk about question number 1. It says, what do you do for fun? Okay, you can tell me any sports you like to play. Maybe it's a game that you like to play. Maybe you're really into music or art. Maybe you love to play video games. Okay, so just talk about things that you like to do for fun here, not even related to science if you don't want. Okay, if you are related, or if you do something for fun that is science related, then of course list it here. Okay, but it doesn't have to be science related. Okay, all right, the next question is, what are you curious about? This can be anything that you're wondering, maybe something that you just research on your own, anything that you're curious about. Tell me about it here in complete sentences. Okay. And then this last question is super important because it asks, what have you always wanted to make or create or do? Okay. So something that you've maybe always wanted to make, create, or do. Okay. It could be anything. Remember, it does not have to be science related. Really, nothing on this slide has to be science related yet. Okay. This is really going to help me, and it's going to help you decide on something that you're passionate about for the science project. If you are stuck, if you don't know what to do, the first thing I'm going to do is take a look at your slide 2, and I'm going to help you brainstorm some ideas. Okay. All right, that is all you have to do today is just answer these 3 questions in complete sentences. And I cannot wait to see your responses because remember, when you're choosing your science project, it's super important that you choose something you're passionate about. So this should get your mind going of what you like to do and what you maybe would like to research more with science, okay? All right, so if you have any questions, please let me know, guys, okay? I miss you. See you later.